In a sponsorship offer, you define a conditional outcome you want to see happen in your store or business, and a money value that you're willing to pay to the fan's favorite sports club when they redeem your offer. Let's check out some examples of sponsorship offers. Buy my pizza and I give you €1 for your sports club. Watch my latest Pizza TV ad and I give you 50 cents for your favorite sports club. See my new post on Instagram and I give you €1 for your sports club. Read my newest pizza recipe and I give you €1 for your sports club. Buy my product, upload proof of purchase, and I give you €5 for your sports club. And there are many other scenarios that can be supported using MyFavorito's developer tools and APIs, such as connect MyFavorito with your online shop, cash registers, and e-commerce stores. But what happens when fans redeem my sponsorship offer? Congratulations! That means you got a sale and hopefully a new customer, and you did something great: support sports. We build a relationship between you and the fan. That means that your store will appear in their favorites list, so they will stay up to date with all your promotions and activities. We build a relationship between you and the club. That means your promotions and brand now become visible in the club's community. And of course, we charge you the defined sponsorship fee, typically once a month, and pay it out to the clubs.